Did you know that you can literally buy properties over the counter? Welcome back to my channel. I am the Pretty Girl Investor and I teach all things real estate. Now before we jump into this video, hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so you can stay up to date with the latest real estate tips, resources, and strategies that actually work. What are over-the-counter properties, also known as OTC property? When a homeowner doesn't pay their property taxes, that property eventually goes up for auction. But sometimes no one bids at the auction. And when that happens, the property becomes available over the counter, meaning you can buy directly from the county at a discounted price. So the first step when purchasing these over-the-counter properties is to identify which counties allow you to buy tax delinquent properties that didn't sell at the tax sale auction. Not every county has over-the-counter properties, so that's why you want to make sure you do your research and you know which counties actually sell these type of properties. Another thing you can do is make a list of targeted counties. Start with counties in the areas you're interested in investing. Focus on counties with a high number of tax delinquent properties or areas where properties are more affordable. Go to the tax collector's office websites or the county treasurer's websites. When you're on these websites, over-the-counter or OTC properties may be labeled or named different things depending on the area and the state. So they may be labeled as delinquent property sales, over-the-county sales, unsold tax deeds, tax sales, surplus properties. They may be labeled different things depending on the state or the county. Some counties have a downloadable list of properties that did not sell at their tax auction. This list often includes key details like the parcel number, the property address, the amount of delinquent taxes owed. They will include more information than the address, okay? So that'll give you the opportunity to do a little bit more research before actually purchasing these properties. If the information isn't readily available online, call the tax collector's office to ask, do they offer over-the-counter properties for sale? Where can you find these over-the-counter property lists? What are the procedures and fees for purchasing these properties over the counter? Please make sure that you verify the over-the-counter policies. Different counties have different rules and timelines for over-the-counter purchases. Ask for any documents or guidelines that explain how the process works in that county. Make sure you're also reviewing the property details. Map it online using the parcel number or GIS system. Look for the property's condition, zoning, and location. Verify the property size, the type, residential, commercial, land, and potential use. This is important because you want to know what you're buying. If you're buying land, for example, you want to know what kind of properties you can build on this plot of land. You want to just make sure you do your due diligence before purchasing these over-the-counter properties. How do you conduct due diligence? Check for liens, encumbrances, or legal issues. You want to make sure that you visit the property if possible or use online tools like Google Earth. Verify the property's market value and potential for resale or rental. Determine the purchase price. Over-the-counter properties typically sell for the amount of unpaid taxes plus fees. Compare the total cost of the property's market value to ensure it's a good deal. Not all over-the-county websites and properties have an application you have to submit, but some of them do. So complete the over-the-county property purchase application, which may be available online or at the county office. You may need to provide your contact information, the parcel number, and payment details. Payment is often due at the time of submission. Accepted payment methods typically include a cashier's check, money order, or wire transfers. Last but not least is to receive your deed. Once you receive your deed, after payment is processed, the county will issue a tax deed or transfer of ownership. Processing times may vary by county, but can take from a few weeks to a couple of months to be processed and fully completed. So after you receive your deed, you want to make sure that you record your deed as well. Record the tax deed with the county's clerk's office to finalize ownership. This step makes the transfer official and protects your rights as a new owner. Keep in mind when you're buying these properties, what is your plan? Do you have a strategy in mind? Decide whether you want to rehab and flip the property, hold it as a rental, or sell the property as is for a profit. As a bonus, I want to give you 5 states where you can buy properties directly over the counter. Number 1 is Alabama. Number 2 is Mississippi. Number 3 is Arkansas. Number 4 is Florida. Now with Florida, you will have to check the local county's tax collector site, and Michigan. I'll drop a list of these 5 states in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn your notifications on so you can get the latest tips, resources, and strategies that actually work. See you guys in my next video. Bye.